EMG Pit Viper John Wick 4. Ayan, and yung version ni John Wick 4 by EMG. So with complete license markings, naka fiber optic sights, front sights, textured grip, Pit Viper serial number, and then may under rail na rin siya, and yung compensator niya is threaded. Base plate is with TTI markings. So naka-enlarged magazine release. And then license card niya ito, guys. EMG TTI. Firing mode is semi-auto. Sige, test natin. Going to Cebu to. Shoutout kay Bossing. 342. 342. For details, PM lang kayo sa page natin, Mav Sabi Shop.